Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials and initiating tethering. Make sure cellular data is on and personal hotspot is visible in settings. This creates the network. Connect the iPhone to your computer with the original Lightning to USB cable so the device presents as a USB network. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust if prompted. This authorizes the link. Now you've started the USB tether and moved past setup into device pairing and network assignment. You now configure the computer to use the phone's connection. On Mac, open System Preferences Network and select the iPhone USB interface. On Windows, open Network Connections and find Apple Mobile Device Ethernet. Make sure the interface is enabled and set to obtain IP and DNS automatically so the phone assigns network parameters. Once done, move the USB network higher in priority or temporarily disable Wi-Fi so traffic routes through the tether. This ensures to finish, verify connectivity by opening a web page or running a speed test. You should see traffic over the USB interface. If it fails, restart the iPhone and computer, toggle personal hotspot off and on, and reconnect the cable. This resets the USB network handshake. Make sure your carrier plan supports tethering and that no VPN or firewall on either device is blocking the interface. If problems persist, try a different certified cable. Most connection issues come from authorization or cable fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.